guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and please like. Today we are unboxing makeup. So yeah. So first is foundation. I will show you all when I'm done with that. Here's how it looks. Alright, so next is mascara. Alright. Ooh, that's actually really cool. So next are brows. And it's in the shade Ash Brown Broom Consider. I don't know. And it says Refresh Brow Pencil Crayon Source. I don't know what that says. But yep. Boxing. Ooh. Cute. There's the brow pencil. There's the little eyeliner. So I'll see you after this. I did not do a great job on my brows. Let me tell you that. Alright, so next is Wet and Wild. I think I just had some of that. Yeah, that's Wet and Wild right there. First step. Alright, so in the shade, I don't know, Rich, I don't know. It don't say the shade, so. Ooh, it's really good. Also, show you the finished results in 3, 2, 1. I think it looks pretty good. Bye. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you like this video. Bye, guys.